Hey, welcome. This is Chris from Christoph Joseph Leather out here in Chatsworth, California. And I wanted to wish everyone a happy new year, 2023. We made it through 2022. May it be prosperous. May you be successful in all that you do and be in good health. And so I have a video that I'm attaching onto this greeting that I recorded just before Christmas. I purchased a new piece of equipment, which was a Glowforge Pro laser engraver. So I compiled some footage and I'm gonna make that into some sort of a video to share here, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. I want to thank you for coming by here and checking out this video. So you all take care, and again, Happy New Year. Thank you. Hey, welcome all you crafters on YouTube. Thanks for coming to my channel today. I want to welcome you here, stopping by to check out this video. So anyways, it's been a while since I posted anything. You know, just been embroiled in a lot of work, but that's good, you know. But I've been documenting a lot of it. You know, eventually I'm gonna post it all here. And so I'm in the midst of the holiday craziness season, you know, stacked with orders and stuff like that. So I hired a helper, and I bought it a few months ago, but now I'm putting it into action. And I got it right behind me here. It's kind of making a little bit of noise. So anyways, I bought a Glowforge Pro laser engraver, and this is just amazing machine. You know, I'm using it to engrave my logo on my packaging, you know, my wooden boxes I make out of alder to put my wallets in. And you know, I'm working on some tops for these boxes right now. So anyways, you know, I'm using this machine primarily to engrave, and even though I can cut leather, and I've done a few, it leaves a lot of residue. And I have a clicker press, so the clicker press I like to use for cutting out parts more, you know, because it does a cleaner job. And because that black, brown, whatever residue, burnt, charred stuff that gets all over your hands, gets all over everything, you know. And so I prefer the clicker press for cutting out parts. So anyways, back to this machine. I just wanted to, you know, just let you guys know I got this machine. It's really cool. And to all you people out there wanting to get a Glowforge, it's awesome. It's incredible, the software that they use with it. It's all wireless. And so let's get to the video. All right, so I am super stoked. I ordered a Glowforge Pro, and it showed up today. This beautiful box with the logo on it. And yeah, I'm unboxing it right now. Never been opened. And we are going to go through this thing and check it out. Can't wait to set it up. Yeah. All right, and then I got over here, I got a little home for my Glowforge Pro near the window, obviously. And so I'm going to start taking, you know, all the packaging stuff out, the tape off, and there's a few things I got to do, like install the laser head. And yeah, it's going to be really cool. So like I said, I got a aftermarket hose. You can see it here, this black one. I'm going to port that out the window. And this is kind of occupying my room over here. So I don't have to go out to the garage to do my engraving. I could just be right here at my desk and engrave at the same time. All right, so let's get to the next step. So anyways, I'm taking all this packing stuff out, the foam and things of that nature, all this tape. Then you got a couple things here. You got to unscrew some little tabs and stuff that keeps this from moving around during shipment. And from what I hear, it's very important that you save all this stuff and keep the box in like your rafters in your garage or your attic. There it is. There's the laser head right there. Got the sticker right here. So yeah, you want to save all this packaging stuff in case it needs to go back to the manufacturer, because from what I understand, there's like a $250 fee if they would send you a new box to ship it back. All right, so you guys want to save that. And let's proceed a little further. Right, so the next thing you're going to have to do is plug in this micro cable switch or whatever, fiber, you know, set of wires here, and plug it into the head, laser head. So I'm trying to hold my phone here, but anyways, you want to pick this thing up from only the black surfaces, from what I understand. There's where it plugs in. You know, there's a right side facing up there. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. Right, so apparently, there it goes. Just plops right in place, index with some magnets, and yeah, it looks good. All right, so the Glowforge came with a separate box, and this is pretty much the accessory box, and this is the crumb tray that you put all your work on. You know, it's going to go inside of there. Okay. Then you got your hose and extension cord, some proof grade materials with this, you know, with the code over there, and QRC code, and that's pretty much it. Cool. And I bought an aftermarket hose that's a little better than this. From what I hear, these tear and get holes in them over time from putting them in and out of windows, but I got a pretty cool setup that I manufactured to port the exhaust out the window. All right, and I'll share that, guys, with you. All right, so here's kind of how I ported it out the window. I got my wood table I built in the corner here, and I got one for my portable air conditioner that vents out the window, and I also have the Glowforge porting out the window, and I put a little cover with flaps on it to keep the critters and bugs and weather out, so you kind of want that. All right, so what I'm going to do now here is I loaded my wood top for my box in this in the center here. I got magnets to position it and lower it down. So next we come over here to the computer, and you know, I obviously centered it, holding my phone here while we're doing this. So I got the workpiece, the file sent over as a PDF of my logo, and I positioned it on in the Glowforge you know, design program they got here. I subscribe to their Pro or whatever you call it. So we're gonna click print. It's gonna send it over. It's all wireless. Kind of cool. Will suck if you don't have any internet. That's the only drawback. So I've sent it over to the machine. You can hear it. The file's going over. It makes all kinds of noise. And it's focusing itself. And there it is. Look at that. And in a minute here, it's going to tell me how long it's going to take. 10 minutes and 40 seconds for the engraving. So let's hit print. And then there'll be a flashing light on my engraver when the file is ready to print, engrave. So, and over here you can see I selected a wood material. They have a whole bunch of things you can pick from, and you can also adjust your own settings. You know, power, the speed, and all that stuff. You guys are hear how kind of noisy this machine is, and I have it vented out the window, but it is loud. I think that's mostly the fan. So one day I'm going to get the cheaper, I mean not the cheaper, excuse me. I'm going to get an external fan that runs quieter, and it'll really cut down on the noise. So let's try this out. You hear that? We'll come back when it's further along. I just wanted to see it, let you guys see it start up. There it is. All right, let's check in on the progress, see how it's doing. The grades are pretty deep. It's pretty cool. It's got about a minute and something left. So there was a little bit of the video of the unboxing and my engraver engraving my logo on these packaging boxes. And now we're going to get into the engraver cutting and engraving on some leather samples. All right, getting ready to make my first cut. Doing some pockets for a biker wallet. So these were some practice pieces I did right there with some cool engravings. And that little sample right here. You see it does really fine detail, which is really cool on that little Aztec thing. Doing some cell phone holsters. I get a lot of requests for those with engravings on it. And what do we got here? Cutting out some practice parts. Bible verses are popular. I do those on my wallets. Those are really cool. A lot of my patriotic stuff, some phrases like "We the people," you know, stuff like that. "Made in America," that's popular. This was a case I did with a Carpenter logo, Carpenters Union logo. That was really cool with a person's name, client's name on the flap. Did the names on this wallet I made. So I do a lot of cool stuff. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.